Hello, Kovai Post viewers. This is your Venkatesan who wanted to take the continuation on the education sector. We have a very special guest, Mr. Samjit, who has a 25 years of experience into the education and administration space. He is a very good friend of us and he is here going to talk about on media and entertainment vertical. Hello Samjit sir, thank you for your time and accepting to give a speech on the media and entertainment industry. It will be very useful to the students. Welcome sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Venkatesh. You've always been a good friend, and Kovai Post has also been a very good friend of ours. And thank you for this opportunity given so that the people of Coimbatore can know more about the media and entertainment industry.
Yes sir, so I just wanted to start with the present COVID situation.
Yes.
People say the media and entertainment is not growing, what will happen? So everybody is worried. So I thought I wanted your views on the media and entertainment industry.
Correct. So media and entertainment industry is not just about movie making or television serials. It's much more than that. You have advertisements that are being made. You have 2D animation films, 3D corporate presentations that are being made, advertising that is being done, and then OTT platforms are become a big hit during COVID. So and ads are now not normal ads which are just shot outdoor. It has got a lot of visual effects, a lot of 2D animation that is coming into it. Even if you see the education on COVID, to wear masks and everything is made on 2D animation and 3D animation because they can't shoot. So that message is conveyed through 2D animation and 3D animation. Apart from this, we have gaming, which has grown to a big extent.
I think most of the children are at home.
Children, adults, everybody are at home, and gaming has grown so high.
So the COVID also given a new dimension of the gaming into home.
Exactly.
Sir, people say Viscom students are the one which is meant for the visual effects and entertainment media. How are you different, or is it only meant for visual communication students?
No, Viscom students, yes, it is definitely advantageous for the Viscom students, but this is a field which any student, be it engineering or be it a communication student, be it even an art student who is doing BA, if they have the passion to create something new, especially you will see in today's world, especially again in the COVID situation, lot of new YouTube channels are coming up. People are taking videos by themselves.
Yes.
And then they are trying to edit it, they are trying to give visual effects to it. So this is meant for everybody. Though of course we have tied up with Hindustan College for the Viscom department, where they are offering our modules as a value-added course for their subjects. So we take these value-added courses for them and then offer them placement also. The biggest advantage of this field is there's immense opportunity. So
across the
globe, and anybody who does the course with us, we assure them, if they just give enough attention, we can assure them of a good job.
And I believe India happened to be the fifth largest.
It's the fifth
in the
largest
industry of the media
and entertainment industry. And this is like something in the 1980s when the IT revolution came up. This is the same thing that is happening now in the media and entertainment industry, where abroad studios are investing in India because it's too costly there. They find the manpower cheaper here. A lot of foreign studios are now coming to India.
So you touched upon the word called IT.
Yes.
Does that mean people who working in different companies can also look at this profession and get changed to
those who want a career change can definitely look at us. Especially I would suggest a lot of people who are working in BPOs, night shifts, who want to get out of the night shifts and start doing something regular. And there are some people who got bored of doing the regular calling, telecalling work. They want to do something creative and interesting. Yes, this is the field for them. And this is a very interesting as well as well-paid job. That's the advantage.
Again you touched upon saying that like IT industry.
Yes.
These programs are very expensive. which students can't afford. Do you have a return on investment, ROI?
Definitely, this are return on investment. So, see, what we actually say is we have a lot of short-term courses, we have some medium-term courses and long-term courses. Now, the long-term courses are 1 year duration, and short-term courses are 3 months. So even if you do a 3-month course, we say you'll be job ready in 90 days.
Oh.
So how much ever you pay, you're definitely, after the course is over,
Yes.
we make sure that you get the return.
Yes.
The immediately on the next opportunity itself.
Very nice. And before I could close, there are two single words, which I've been keep cropping everywhere, is on the VR and the AR.
Yes.
I really don't know what is VR and AR. I mean, is there something future in that space, or?
I'm very glad you asked me this question, because VR, AR, which is virtual reality and augmented reality, this is the future that is happening. So, so far we were thinking that virtual reality and augmented reality is only in the gaming space. Only games are being used for virtual reality and augmented reality. But now it is going into every field, from education to defense to medical to even selling. And we thought that virtual reality and augmented reality is something that is there abroad. It's not come to India. You will be surprised to know that today RS Puram Lakshmi Ceramics is using virtual reality to sell their tiles.
Oh, great.
And then there's one more bakery in RS Puram that is using virtual reality to sell cakes. Okay, so virtual reality is the future, and especially with online learning becoming.
And again, they say the training for the automobile industry.
Yes,
they use the
engineering
VR.
Also. They are using VR, and especially in the defense and medical field. See, you are able to perform a surgery on a patient without doing without touching, even before the surgery is done. So that is the extent to which AR, VR, and we are very glad to say that we are the only players in Coimbatore who are trainers for AR, VR right now. Right now, we are the only AR, VR trainers. So this is the future, and I think all students or any professional must be looking at this as a career option for the future.
Would you like to say any few words for the +2 students who all are looking for the career shift before I could close this interview with you?
Definitely. So for the +2 students, I would tell you, don't look at traditional courses. Traditional courses is very difficult to find jobs. That's why we started this company called as MAC. So you can do your traditional courses, but if you need an edge, you need a job, I think media and entertainment industry is the key. And just to end with, I will just quote a statistic from Hired. Hired is a US website which deals with IT professionals. So what they have predicted is, over the next 2 years, augmented reality and virtual reality is going to grow at 1,400%.
Oh, great.
1,400%.
That's great.
So I think youngsters today should look at augmented reality. It has broken all records, including blockchain technology, which was there last year. It has broken all those records, and this is the future.
So you should have come long ago so that I would have been there. Thank you, Samjit, for your time.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, viewers.
Thank you so much.